Hi guys, I hope you're having a good week. I just wanted to make this video to take a few seconds to go over some of the assignments that we're going to end our week with. So I'm on Google Classroom. I'm going to go ahead and go to second hours. Seventh hours looks the exact same. Head over to classwork. There is another week of remote learning journals here. They are on the same Google slides as the journal prompts from last week. So just open the slide and then scroll down and you will find the journal prompts for this week, which are right here. Alright, don't forget that your soundtrack project for Things Fall Apart is due this week. Turn your slides in here. This week I'm going to be introducing the news assignment. This is going to be due Friday by midnight. I saw these two articles, and one's from CNN and one's from Fox News. I thought they were really interesting and kind of their opposing opinions. So I created this assignment to just kind of have some exploratory questions about it, just kind of see what you guys thought. I thought it was interesting. And there are two articles from two of our biggest news sources in our country that have very different opinions. So I thought it would be good exploration for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and go over the assignment with you and then show you where you're going to turn that in and everything. So, description of activity. It is no secret that Fox News is an American conservative cable television news channel. In addition, it should come as no surprise that CNN tends to appeal to a more liberal audience. Both Fox News and CNN are two of the biggest news sources in the United States. With that being said, how can an audience member be sure they are receiving real news or fake news? For this activity, I would like you to explore two articles about similar topics. Both articles were published on the same day, and both cover top politicians and their responses to the coronavirus epidemic. You can find the links to both articles below, and I'll go over that with you. I would like you to read both articles. They really aren't that long at all, and answer the questions at the bottom of the page. This is simply an opportunity for exploration to see how we as U.S. citizens can decipher what is factual and what is simply opinion. Disclaimer. This assignment is not intended to put either conservative or liberal audience members under scrutiny. In addition, it is not intended to put Fox News or CNN under any harsh accusations. This assignment is simply for exploration on how to determine what is factual information and what is simply opinion. In addition, it is important to learn how to be able to read informational text, which is another purpose for this activity. So, reading news sources is really good practice. First article is from Fox News. They were both published on April 3rd, and the second one is from CNN. So you've got 5 questions here. I'd like you to answer them all on one Google Doc, and I'd like you to try to answer them in complete sentences after you have read both articles. I'm going to go ahead and go back to Google Classroom, and you will turn them in right here. Again, if you need a reminder on how to turn things into Google Slides or Google Classroom, you may find that here. So, as always, email me if you have any questions, and I will talk to you guys soon.